My name is Keith Grossman. I am an attorney mediator, and I like to call myself an educator at law. My area of practice in both legal services and mediation is divorce and family law. And when I have clients who come into my office to talk with me about a divorce, a lot of times I wonder if they actually understand why they are moving forward with the divorce. What I usually find is that there has been lack of communication for a long time, minimally, and they've not really done anything to resolve those issues. They haven't discussed it, they haven't gone to counseling, and they don't really know where they're at with what's going on in their lives, but they just know that they can't take it anymore and they're ready to move on, and so they think that divorce is the only answer. So I want to make sure that they understand that they have exhausted efforts to stay together before they make the decision to divorce. It's important for them to understand the value of staying together and that they truly want to move forward with a divorce. The worst thing that they can do is start a divorce process and then change their mind. So I talk with them about those things, and then if they are ready to move forward with a divorce, if that decision has been made, I want them to be aware of their options for what I would call a cooperative divorce. And those are things like they can go to mediation before filing in court. And I have a lot of clients that I work with where we do that, and they don't have attorneys who come to mediation with them, but they have the option and the availability to meet with attorneys before they finalize anything, before they sign a written agreement. So that's one option. There are also ways to negotiate an agreement where I'm representing them as an attorney, so not in a role as a mediator, but actually their advocate, giving them legal advice. And we are able to negotiate an agreement with the other spouse and their representative, their attorney, before we actually file in court. So that can be done with some sort of just cooperative method informally, or it can also be done with a more formal method called collaborative divorce. And I'm not going to get into the details of collaborative divorce at the moment, but it is a great way to consider resolving your divorce in a cooperative, in a collaborative fashion, using a teamwork approach with collaborative professionals who are trained to do this type of work, with the goal of coming to an agreement before filing in court. And if you file in court with an agreement, it makes the process so much less expensive, so much more efficient, and it is a possibility of saving your family even though you're reorganizing your family. If you would like more information about these different types of cooperative methods, you can find me at PeaceShark.com, or you can call me at 239-210-7516. Again, I'm Keith Grossman.